Tonight is honoring one of the most important editors of my generation, Edward Enningful. And he is somebody who not only is an incredible editor-in-chief, but he's somebody who represents so much for the African American community. He's somebody who is breaking boundaries, barriers, anything that you can think of.
I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I feel like I've been having the best week here in Milan, like in the little fashion bubble.
To support the cause because it's not over. It's not over. You know, HIV is still prevalent in the world, and we have to do whatever we can to stop it. And until there's no more HIV there, then there'll be no need for this. So we have to just keep